Hello everyone, I am Ayushi Dolakia and I welcome you to My Running Story, a podcast where every mile carries a lesson and where every runner has a journey worth sharing. Today I have two incredible personalities joining me, both coming from different paths, but they share one common passion, that is of running. अगर हमारे पहले गेस्ट को मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करूँ तो उनकी लाइन में मैं जितने एडजेक्टिव्स डालूँ उतने कम है. Having 2 Limca records, 1 world record and many records coming on his way. As of today, having completed 1902 half marathons, we have Abhishek Singh Pandher joining us today. Alongside, we have the man behind the Adani Ahmedabad Marathon, a finance veteran who has nearly spent 4 decades building strategies and markets but has showed that passion never goes out of sight. Welcome Rabindra sir and welcome Abhishek sir. It's an absolute pleasure to have you here today. I'm going to start with Abhishek sir. आप consecutive marathons run करते हैं and 1902 is a staggering number. But can you take us back to the day one जब आपने start किया? What made you tie your shoelaces in July 2020 and you didn't stop?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन बिकॉज मेरे से बहुत लोग ये पूछते हैं कि ये कैसे स्टार्ट किया और कैसे पता था कि आप यू विल रीच टू दिस प्लेस. आई नेवर थॉट आई विल रीच टू दिस प्लेस. इट वाज जस्ट वन डे एट अ टाइम, वन पोल एट अ टाइम. दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव इन. सो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड in 2021, so what happened? Everybody was dying through COVID.
Yeah.
So I thought I'll not die like that. So I have to take my buckets what I have thought earlier. So one was that 21 into 21, 21 I mean kilometers into 21 days. Regularly I have to do it.
Okay.
So I've started that. And somehow it has just started. I felt good and it was a God plan, I can say that, because you don't have to go to office. So you get a time to sleep, you get a time to do whatever you want. So I've started that. So then came 50, then came 100, then came 150. So this is how it all started now.
Wow, it's just, I think it's very inspiring to even hear that kind of just inclination and passion towards running.
It was never in my mind earlier that I'll be doing this 2000 or 1900. It was just one day at a time I started this, and somehow it just clicked.
I'm so glad it clicked for you.
Yeah.
But जैसे सर ने उनकी स्टोरी शेयर की, सर आप यू कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड, फाइनेंस, मार्केट, स्ट्रैटेजीज, वहाँ से रनिंग में शिफ्ट होना, 27 हाफ मैराथॉन्स हो चुकी है. कब, कौन सी पॉइंट पे आपको लगा दैट this exercise is now going to turn, this hobby is going to turn into a passion?
Unlike Abhishek, I had no passion for running, no passion for exercise. It all happened on 06/06/06, that means 6th June 2006.
Wow.
I was admitted to hospital for some complication heart. Then suddenly the doctor found that I have a blockage in my 2 arteries. That day changed my attitude towards my life and my existence. Then I thought that it is time that I I set all these sedentary lifestyle and adopt an healthy lifestyle. And running being the one of the easiest one. So I switch my entire concentration, attention, focus to running. And 2012 I enrolled myself for half marathon. But on the day of the marathon I have cold feet and I let it go. No, I can't do it. 2013 I did it.
और एक चीज़ तो मैं डेफिनेटली बोलूँगी कि आपने बताया रनिंग इज़ अ वेरी इजी स्पोर्ट. एज somebody from non-runners, we will maybe disagree to that if how easy that sport is. It's very technical, right? We talk about your the kilometers, your heart rate, the breaks कब लेनी चाहिए, कब hydration होना चाहिए, कितनी sleep मिलनी चाहिए. काफ़ी सारे aspects आप ध्यान में रखते हैं जब आप train कर रहे होते हैं. So how do you build your endurance for both of you? If so, you could go first.
I will disagree with you that okay, when I say it is not that complex.
Okay.
Because every long journey starts with the first step. You are not on the day one run 21 kilometers.
Yeah.
For me, actually, there is a steady uh, pace. When I started, even 500-meter was appearing to be a very tall target.
Yeah.
So you have got marginal addition, marginal. So maybe actually in 1 week I have got 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. It took me almost 3 years to reach the 21 kilometer at 3 hours time. Comes the practice and improve it. So it is the, if you think it is complex, it is not that. Practice can make you perfect.
Abhishek, sir, how has your training
Ma'am,
practices
in
been?
a very simple way, who is your teacher? That counts. So my teacher was my father. He has fought 70-71 war. He was a gunner. He was in army. So he told me, "यार, तुम लोग तो कुछ नहीं करते, हम तो 45 किलोमीटर 20 किलो लगा के ऐसे ही दौड़ जाते थे नेपाल से इंडिया." So I thought my father runs with 20 kg on his back and he was a soldier. Second teacher was Rocky movie. Have you seen? Sylvester Stallone.
No.
That is the issue of this generation. You have to see today itself.
I'm taking book recommendations. I'm taking
Yeah.
film recommendations. मैं note बना रही हूँ.
No,
Definitely.
if you see that movie, I've seen I don't know how many times. I've seen I think hundred of times. When I'm low, I see that movie. Or I think it was in 80s, early 90s. I've seen that movie. वो उसका एक ही इशू बताता था कि you just open a jar and you just put eggs in it and he puts around 7-8 eggs and you have to drink that and you have to run. I've done the exact thing. I've started that way. कैसे दौड़ना है, क्या दौड़ना है, पैर कहाँ रखना है, हाउ इज़ योर ब्रीदिंग, इफ़ योर नेजल ब्रीदिंग, ऑफ योर माउथ ब्रीदिंग, आई डोंट नो, बट ही जस्ट स्टार्टेड रनिंग, आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड रनिंग. सो द मोस्ट important thing is how is your teacher, who is your teacher and what he's teaching you. So this is how I started.
तो अगर आपको हमारे non runners or somebody who's just starting out, maybe like us, who wants to do like 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers, आप उनको क्या मैसेज देंगे?
मैं उनको बोलूँगा सिर्फ you come out of your house, start with that. Why are you thinking of 5 kilometers, 21 or 100? You just come out of your house. Just come out and just walk for 15 minutes in before sunrise and just see how sunrise is good. Just see the sounds of, of trees, birds. Just see how it feels. Normally, आजकल की जनरेशन में ऐसा नहीं है. They don't even, they wake up at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So कैसे वो होगा? You have to change a bit.
Yeah.
Because there is a process. I'll tell you the science behind it. अगर आपको 6 बजे उठना है, 5 बजे उठना है, so you have to sleep early.
Yeah.
अगर आपको अर्ली सोना है तो मतलब when you sleep early, it means like you have to sleep 8 or 9.
Yeah.
तो खाना कब खाना है?
6:30 बजे.
6:30-7 बजे. तो 6:30-7 बजे का अगर if you want to eat or you have to sleep at 9, so it is a total shift of your thinking
Cycle, yeah.
cycle and everything. It is tough. It's not easy. But the thing is, at least you can do it on Sundays. Saturday night को जाना भी important है. तो start with Friday night.
Yeah,
There is
start
a
small.
process.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
start small. आप आज सिर्फ 15 minutes just start with a walk. As Sir said, it took 3 years. Yes, I'll just tell you. Before starting this, believe me, I've run 3 years. My minimum kilometers was 2 and maximum was 103. I've done in Pune Ultra, so that I have done. So that was 3 years I have trained for this 21 into 21. That's it. Not for 1902. So just because of that 21, I have trained for 3 years. So this is how it works. So you cannot have things right away on a right second.
Yeah.
It's wait time and it takes time.
No, that's an important message, and I think our generation, the current generation, needs to have a look at this. Rabinder sir, I'll come to you. आपने अदानी अहमदाबाद मैराथन को एक स्टार्ट दिया, एक पुश दिया. यू आर वन ऑफ द ड्राइविंग फोर्सेस एंड पायनियर्स व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड. तो उसकी बैक स्टोरी क्या है? हाउ डिड इट स्टार्ट? एंड दिस ईयर वी आर डूइंग द 9th edition and it's come such a long way. How excited do you get every time it comes this year?
So it was first intended that, okay, we'll do something for our staff. Like the way TCS, Fit for Life,
Yeah.
that's done. We thought that we give something to Ahmedabad. That is in the Adani way. So that is how and we have got a very beautiful scenic Shantigram, which is is from start to the entire township 10.5 kilometer. So we say that maybe two two rounds of this give us a half marathon. Suddenly the idea came that we can use the Narmada Canal to say that. So that is how we conceived. And there are quite a lot of challenges. There are lots of things that, and we sought the help of technical. Though I am a runner, I have no organizing capacity. So we sought help of Hyderabad runners. So there 1 month actually the team came, 2 people they sat there. Then we have our ADRs, so 3 stalwarts, one lady president Hemal, and Anand and Harish. So all these three came forward, and they helped. This is how we gave this wonderful event to Ahmedabad city.
Oh, what a wonderful gift to the city and it's so important. But there can be days जब आपको लगे कि आज सुबह नहीं उठना, आज सुबह 4:30 बजे मे बी नहीं उठना या फिर आज नहीं जाना. कभी आपको ऐसा लगा है? और अगर लगा है तो आप वो फीलिंग कैसे कॉम्बैट करते
ये
हैं?
वाला आंसर ना तो मैं आपके क्वेश्चन खत्म होने से पहले देना चाहूँगा. हर दिन लगता है मैम. एवरी डे आई एम अ ह्यूमन.
Then how do you
So you
keep that feeling aside?
every no, if somebody says नहीं लगता, I think he's joking. Every day it
आपकी
feels.
जर्नी से तो यही लगता है कि सर आपको नहीं लगता होगा.
No, no,
रोज
ma'am.
आप वही स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडसेट से उठते
Yeah,
होंगे.
it is. Yeah. End of the day, I'm a human.
Yeah, of
And I've got 2 feet. But the way I look running, the way I feel when I see morning blues, when I see people cheering up, they say, Abhishek, आपके कारण I'm doing this. When I say कि सर आपका एज आज 65-70 है, if you are doing it, I just ask God कि मैं उस टाइम तक कर पाऊँ ये. So this is give and take.
To ask this question to Ravindra sir. Sir, you come from a very technical side of at work. आप finance में थे. You were dealing with so many numbers, marketing strategies, and it's just a very dynamic field. क्या आपने कभी भी parallels देखे in a running field and a market, like the dynamics of it, या फिर लोगों का discipline कैसे होता है जब हम एक workplace corporate sector में होते हैं, या as compared to people who are in a very fitness oriented side?
This is also a good question, which I have been in there for the last 40 years. What do you find? You have first of all, you have a vision.
Yeah.
That what vision means, wealth is not built on a single day. If I were to build wealth, I have to I have to put some money, this, that, and the compounding process and that systematically way. Then it can multiply. It cannot done on the overnight.
Yeah.
Running, you can't build it on a single race, single day. you have to practice. In the finance, you have a process, because it's totally driven by process. That I'm a trader. I have my set processes to that. I can do any shortcuts, because you will be there, because there is a front office, there is a mid office, there is a back office. I have to influence the inter process, see that my capital is protected, this, that, that is there. Running also the same thing. Running is a process. You set that what will be your training, what will be your hydration, how your nutrition matters, what race you will go. It is not actually one standard. Everything actually that that is there. If you have strategies for long run, you have got short run, there is a different process. So everything is set there.
No, I will pick up that choosing your circle is so important, because
Yes.
it definitely influences your lifestyle, the way you look at life, the perspective on things. And as somebody who's had such an extensive experience in solo running, how has building a community and a social life of yours been influenced?
Ma'am, in the morning we are a different client. I mean, people are different out in the morning. They are not bosses. They are not family members. They are not know each other anyways, which ways. They just know running. Through running, they know each other. So a person who is running, so he knows what exactly it is. I mean, a rich guy has to run a person who doesn't have money has to run.
Yeah.
I cannot run on your behalf. It is you who have to run. So each and every step the person who takes, so the next person knows how he's doing it. And the more he runs, the more he knows the other one. So the communicate which comes in picture, so they are very good relation builder and they respect each other. So this is how the thing works now. And when somebody my son sees somebody who's running that much, so he sees like ये सर ने इतना किया ये अंकल ने इतना किया, okay, I can do it, I can do it. So same happens with me. Many of the children of my running persons, they come to me, he's a big fan of yours. So okay, come tomorrow, we'll run. So this is how it's
Yeah, it's a
going on.
domino effect.
Yeah.
I will end with a question that when you reach your finishing line, what's the first thing that you do or the first meal that you have? Is that fafra jalebi for you, sir?
Okay, maybe youngsters like you, they love that post-run cravings. To be very frank enough, I didn't have that cravings.
Okay.
Only I have my group running group, because I run in the group. Who finished and I photo at the finishing at that, so that's a lot. I make it a point that okay, at least you will encourage those people who are behind or those who have finished, they are waiting us.
Yeah.
Everybody in the groups with cheering up. That matters
That
to
matters.
me actually. That because being from the organizing side, being from the running community, for me actually is personal. And different people have got a different
Yeah.
things. Then they have cravings. They do that party. They do have enjoy on that. For me actually,
It's a
that
picture,
matters.
it's a memory,
It is
yeah.
a fun and enjoy.
And for Abhishek, sir?
Basically, for me, it's totally different. It is gratitude because I pray that again today it's done well without any injury, and again I'll come again tomorrow. So gratitude has to be there. Second thing is if I do the thing, people will may see the way I see. So this is how I.
And that's a very beautiful note to end, having gratitude at the end of a finishing line. After all those wonderful instincts, it's time for a little fun segment. हम इसको बोलते हैं the sprint segment. The idea is जितनी fast से हम sprint दौड़ते हैं, आप उतने ही fast इस जवाब देने थोड़े questions के. So we're going to go one by one. Ravindra sir, I'll start with you. Sir, chai या coffee on a busy day?
So, sorry, nothing. I love water.
Hydration is the key. Yeah. आपका favorite गुजराती snack?
Dhokla, Khandvi.
Your dream holiday destination?
My native place, Puri Sea Beach.
Wow. एक गाना जो सुन के आपका मूड बहुत खुश हो जाता है.
ये मेरे वतन की लोगों जरा आँख में भर दे पानी. दिस ये मैंने स्कूल और कॉलेज डेज में मैं एनसीसी में था, तो ये गाना ये काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग.
क्या बात है. वैसे आपने बताया कि दौड़ने के बाद आपकी क्रेविंग्स तो होती नहीं है, बट अगर कभी आपको चूज़ करना हो तो स्वीट या स्पाइसी?
वेरी हार्ड टू आंसर. I have no craving. Some fruits there, so
नेचुरल शुगर. दैट वर्क्स. या अगर आप इफ यू वर नॉट इनटू फाइनेंस तो कौन सा करियर आप चूज़ करते हैं?
खेती बाड़ी, एग्रीकल्चर.
एग्रीकल्चर. या यू मेंशन्ड. सुबह दौड़ना पसंद है या शाम को?
सुबह.
सोलो रन्स और ग्रुप रन्स?
I virtually group run.
आप जब दौड़ते then do you track or do you just go with the flow?
Earlier I was not tracking, but I run only for the fun sake. I track sometimes, but most of them are untracked.
Your favorite route to take here in Ahmedabad?
I don't have any specific route. I live in Prahlad Nagar,
Okay.
so I take the service roads, and the most favorite is my Atira and the Gujarat University campus, the inside.
One favorite thing about running?
Running is for me the fun and enjoying and saying.
Running itself is the favorite
Fun,
thing. Or one last thing, अगर आप किसी के साथ दौड़ सकते, any person that you want to share your run with, तो वो कौन होगा?
My love first will be the family and my friends. If they run, I will be the most happiest person to see them on the track.
Family always comes first. Thank you. That was great. Very, very sweet, very personal. We move on to Abhishek sir. Are you ready?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, one myth about running that you want to break.
No one can run for you. You have to run yourself.
What's one thing about running that you don't like?
Everything I like. I mean, there's nothing in this.
I deliberately asked. I was like, maybe I'll get something out of it.
No. You cannot.
Okay, like just like sir, is running your favorite thing, or there's one particular thing about it that you really like? Any aspect of it that you?
I mean, you make friends. I mean, that I like.
All right. So solo run or group runs?
Definitely group run, but what I'm doing has to be solo.
Solo. Uphill or downhill?
Absolutely uphill.
Wow, you're taking the road untaken. Chai or coffee?
Absolutely coffee with 1 teaspoon of ghee.
Ooh, yeah. We've seen reels about this, yeah. If you had to have a post-run indulgence?
Has to be jalebis.
Wow, that's the first one. So is that your favorite Gujarati snack?
Dokla.
There's a commonality.
Yeah.
Dream destination?
Kerala.
Favorite route to take in Ahmedabad?
Every place. I mean, there's no particular.
Okay, and what's the one thing that you really look forward towards the finishing line?
Gratitude.
I think I will end with gratitude. We had a very personal and very sweet answers from both our guests today. I will leave you all with one last question. We have the 9th year of Adani Ahmedabad Marathon coming in, and something really momentous is going to happen in the city. We had some great insights that were shared here. So if you could share one message to all the non-runners or even people who are just spectators of these events, आप उन्हें क्या बताएंगे? रविंद्र सर, आप पहले.
अहमदाबाद का एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट है अदानी अहमदाबाद मैराथन। तो मेरा गुजारिश है जे अहमदाबादी बच्चे से लेकर बूढ़े तक की कोई एज लिमिट नहीं है, सब आइए पार्टिसिपेट करिए ब्यूटीफुल रिवर फ्रंट में और मेक द सिटी एंड द इवेंट प्राउड।
Thank you. Abhishek sir?
I mean, it's so much I have to say. बहुत कुछ कहना है मुझे. पहला चीज़, जब 500 हुआ था, then 500 happened. You know what happened? My son told me, he has seen me. Some presentation I was getting, and he told me, Papa, मैं भी ऐसा लूँगा एक दिन. So this is for the males who thinks कि उनके बच्चे नहीं करते हैं. You start yourself. You put your first foot out. So just see what happened to your kid. First thing this.
Yeah.
Second, आप रखोगे तो आपकी वाइफ भी आएंगी बाहर कि जाते का है सुबह सुबह. So your wife will come. Your kid will come. This is a family thing happens.
Yeah.
So this is what we need. We don't talk to each other because of pressure, because of many things. But this can do wonders to you. For Gujarat, I just say please come out because we need. I mean, last 3 months, 12 heart attacks happened. Out of that 12, 11 have lost their lives. And that 11, 10 were bankers. So I urge you, I just say please come out because you don't know what you are doing. आपका एक कदम शायद किसी की जान बचा सकता है. आप जाओ तो वो शायद आपके साथ आ सकता है. Right?
Thank you so much for sharing your insights, for sharing your journey, sharing your running life story. I'm sure this story will inspire millions. And thank you to our viewers for joining here for My Running Story podcast, where every story